Today, we're going to build the Tantive 4 using 15 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 jumper plate. And underneath this 1x2 jumper plate, I'm going to grab two 1x1 plates with ring. And I'm going to put those plates underneath so that the plate attaches to the bottom and the ring goes out the front and back of my jumper here, my 1x2 jumper plate. Now once I've got this attached, I'm going to build the bridge. And to build the bridge, we need to bring out the front to kind of make it look like that hammerhead shark that look it has. So what we're going to do is on the left and right studs of this ring, I'm going to grab two 1x1 round plates in red because I want to create that red stripe on the Tantive 4. So I'm going to do that to the left and right ring to create the red ring around the Tantive 4. And of course the end wasn't red, it just had a stripe. So I'm going to finish off the front of the bridge with this 1x1 round tile piece in white because I want it kind of a little smoother on the side. So I'm using my tile pieces on those 1x1 round plates like this. And here we've got the bridge of our Tantive 4. And I use the jumper plate because you got that one little bump in the center, so it's kind of like the radar dish of the Tantive 4. But now we're going to get to those engines because the engines are really what made the Tantive 4 so unique and how we can recognize it no matter where we are. But to build the engines, I've got this ring shooting out the back. I'm going to grab two more 1x1 plates with ring and put them on the ends of that ring like this. So I just attach the plates to the ring, and that way we're just kind of flipping them over so we can do a different type of build, a different direction of a build. And so on these rings facing up and down, I'm going to grab four minifigure binoculars, and on the bottom of a minifigure binocular there's that little hole to attach a stud. Well, I'm going to attach that hole into the top of one ring and the bottom of another ring. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other ring. Now here's the thing, it is a very tight fit, so you're probably going to have to adjust these binoculars so that they look like they're going in one direction straight out, not just like leaning or popping one other off. But I've got the top one and the bottom one. And there are the engines to my Tantive 4. And I just want to give it a little more color. So on the side studs of those 1x1 plate with rings I just attached the engines to, I'm going to grab two 1x1 round tile pieces and just attach it to the right stud and the left stud. And there is my completed Tantive 4 as it flees a Star Destroyer with the plans to the Death Star.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.